Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Chams and you are watching Bez Rules. In today's video, I know it's been a long time since we shared our last video. However, I promise we will do our best to release more and more useful content for you. We just came from vacation loaded with a lot of nice footage from Bosnia and Tunisia. So if my little boss give me some times, of course I will do more and more videos. In today's video we are going to see new Learning Tunisian lesson. In today's video we are going to see polite expressions in Tunisian dialect. So without further talk, let's jump direct into the video. By the way, if you haven't done yet, kindly consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, and as well if you are interested to see more of our daily life and daily photos and lot of short videos, please make sure to follow us in Instagram with the same name, Bez Rules. Without further talk, let's jump direct into the video. I believe that polite expression in Tunisian dialect are not that complex. However, there are a lot of synonyms and a lot of ways to do that. And a small disclaimer here, since probably there is no correct and proper translation to the words I'm saying, I will say the word in English and the equivalent of it in Tunisian, because probably if I translated word by word, it doesn't make sense. So let's get started. To say Mr. in Tunisian, we say Si. Si Flen, Si Muhammad, Si Salah, Si X. Generally speaking, in the Tunisian dialect, it's not like for example, the Egyptian dialect to say for Mr. يا حضرتك ويا باشا please, or different than the Lebanese dialect. In Tunisian, we only have the word Si Flen, Si. We just use Si to give him, like if you are addressing to the director of a company or something, you simply say Si. In Tunisian dialect, it's a bit more tough. We go straight, direct. I think it's very close to Algerian dialect. Si Flen, Si Salah, Si X, and that's about it. If you are addressing to Madam or someone, it's similar to English and similar to French. You say Madame. If you don't know if she is married or no, or maybe she is a bit younger, you can say Mademoiselle. In Tunisian, it's similar to the French word. And of course, probably as you know, there is no Miss in French word, so as well there is no Miss in Tunisian dialect. So if you notice that she is a bit young, you just can say Mademoiselle. If she is a bit old, you can say Madame. And that's it. There is one more word that we don't use more often, no more like before. It's to call the madame or the mademoiselle, you can say Lilla. And if you'd like to call, for example, someone a bit older of you, not in professional way, you can say Baba. It's like you calling him of your dad, Baba. And if she is a woman, you can say her Ommi. If you feels like he is a bit more old and look like a bit more religious, you can say him Haj or Haja if she is a female. To say please in Tunisian, there are multiple ways of saying please in Tunisian. The first one is من فضلك, similar to Arabic. من فضلك حل الباب, but generally we don't use it. Instead you can use بالله حل الباب, or you can say تعمل مزية. For example, بالله حل الباب, please open the door for me. To say thank you in Tunisian dialect, you can use the French word merci, or as well you can say يعطيك الصحة. It's from the Arabic language, يعطيك الصحة in Tunisian dialect. Or as well you can use بارك الله فيك. Another word we use is to say عايشك. This word is purely Tunisian. If someone tell it to you, you know 100% that he is Tunisian, because there is no other Arab use this word, عايشك. It's again another way to say thank you. Another one last word, synonym to say thank you in Tunisian dialect is merci عليك. It's a mixture between the French word merci and عليك. It's from the Arabic word, so the marriage of these two words become merci عليك. Okay, to say I am sorry in Tunisian dialect, you say samahni. It's the same as Arabic as well. Or you can say instead as well, there is another synonym. You can say wallah ma qsadtha. It means I swear I didn't mean it. But we use it as well to say sorry for someone. To say you are welcome in Tunisian dialect, you can say if the one who tell you merci, you can answer in the as well in the same language. You say de rien. You are using here the French word that we use in Tunisian dialect. As well, you can say مغير مزية. To say can you in Tunisian dialect, you say بالله تنجم. Can you open the door for me? بالله تنجم تحلي الباب. To say would you like to in Tunisian dialect, or what if, it's in Tunisian we say it in the same way, it doesn't matter. We say شقولك كان. What if شقولك كان. Of course I will give some more examples later on. To say if you don't mind in Tunisian dialect, you say إذا ما عندكش مانع. I think it's a bit taken from the Arabic language as well. إذا ما عندكش مانع. Or sometimes as well we use the French word s'il y a pas problème. Generally we can use as well this word. But generally in Tunisian dialect we use إذا ما عندكش مانع. Okay, now let's see some examples. The first example, let's translate the word can you please bring bread. If for example you are speaking to your husband and you ask him can you please bring bread. In Tunisian dialect you can say بالله تنجم تجيب خبز. بالله, this is the word that we see in the starting of the video. تنجم, you can. جيب خبز, bring bread. بالله تنجم تجيب خبز, this to ask in a polite way. But later on, maybe after some years of marriage, you will say جيب خبز direct in the order, no polite way. And here he will answer you okay, and he will say you okay, and you will say merci, and he will answer you again غير مزية or de rien, same like we see in the starting of the video. Another example, if you want to ask someone, if you want to ask someone something else, for example, why you did not bring me the shampoo. If you are asking your husband why you didn't bring me the shampoo, in Tunisian dialect you say علاش ما جبتليش الشامبوان. Why you didn't bring me the shampoo. It's like you are blaming him. He will say you of course sorry سامحني والله نسيت. Forgive me, I swear I forget. سامحني والله نسيت. This is how you can answer this in a proper way, in more polite. If you need more example, feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section down below. I will be very happy to answer you. And as well, if you need more private question and more details about learning the Tunisian dialect, feel free to join our Patreon account. Please support our free efforts for you, and more yet to come. And if you haven't done yet, kindly consider subscribing to our channel. My name is Shams. I hope you enjoyed today's video and hope to see you on the next one. Goodbye. Ciao.